In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control the playhead when the clip in CapCut is on the media. If you've ever clicked into the media area in CapCut and felt like the playhead wasn't responding the way you expected, this quick walkthrough will fix that. The playhead is the vertical marker on your timeline that shows exactly where you are in your edit. Being able to move it precisely while you browse your media makes previewing clips and planning cuts much faster. Start by opening CapCut and loading your project so you can see the main editing workspace. Once you're in, head to the Media section. This is where your imported videos, audio, and images live before you drop them onto the timeline. By default, CapCut often shows your media as a grid of thumbnails. That grid view is great for visual browsing, but it can sometimes make it feel like the timeline playhead isn't under your control while you're selecting clips. Here's the simple adjustment that changes everything. In the Media panel, look for the Layout control and switch it from Grid to List. In List View, your items appear in a vertical list with names and details, and CapCut keeps a clearer connection between what you're selecting and what the timeline is doing. The moment you switch to List, you'll notice the playhead becomes easy to control again as you navigate your media. Now try moving the playhead. Click anywhere on the timeline ruler to jump to that spot, or click and drag the playhead to scrub smoothly. Press the spacebar to play and pause as you preview, and use the left and right arrow keys to nudge frame by frame for precise checks. As you select clips in the media list, watch how the viewer updates and the timeline stays responsive, letting you match your selections with exact timing. If it still feels unresponsive, make sure a project is open and the timeline is visible beneath the viewer. Also verify you're actually in the media section and that the layout is set to list, not grid. Occasionally, clicking into another panel can change focus, so simply click back on the timeline once, then scrub again. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to Media, switch the layout to List, and you'll regain smooth, precise control of the playhead while browsing your clips. It's a tiny change that saves time, reduces frustration, and helps you preview and plan edits more confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.